Welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this exponential equation. Solution. So we are given 4 raised to the power 2x minus 20 multiplied by 4 raised to the power x plus 64 equal to 0. Now, we can change 4 raised to the power 2x. We can write it in this form. 4 raised to the power x raised to the power 2. I get it. Because if we open the bracket, x times 2 will still give us 2x. I get me. So we still have 4 raised to the power 2x. It's still the same thing. I get me. So we have minus 20. This is a sign of multiplication, okay? 4 raised to the power x plus 64 equal to 0. Now, we have 4 raised to the power x here and 4 raised to the power x here. I get me. So meaning they are the same, right? We can easily factor 4 raised to power x out, or we can use a variable to represent 4 raised to power x. Let me write it down so you understand. Let's say let y be equal to 4 raised to power x. Are you getting it? Let y be equal to 4 raised to power x. Meaning that from this given equation, anywhere we see anywhere we see 4 raised to power x, we put y. Are you getting it? Anywhere we see 4 raised to power, since this y is equal to 4 raised to power x, meaning that anywhere we see 4 raised to power x in this equation, we put what? Y. Okay, so here we have 4 raised to power x, right? So we now have y, and we have square, so to be y square minus 20. Okay, let's use multiplication sign. So this one is still the same thing as multiplication. Okay, so here we have 4 raised to power x, so we put what? Y. So plus 64 equal to 0. So we have y square minus 20 times y will give us 20y plus 64 equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation, right? So from here, you can use the formula method to solve and get your answer, or you can use the completing square method, or you can use the factorization method. But me, to manage your time, if in case you see this type of question in the exam, you can use the factorization method because that is the most fastest way to solve quadratic equations. I get it. So let's use the factorization method. Now, what you need to do is to think of two numbers in such a way when you multiply those two numbers, you will get 64. Are you getting it? At the same time, if you add those two numbers, you will get 20. Are you getting it? And what are those two numbers? The two numbers are minus 4 and minus 16. Here we have y square, right? Means y times y. So we take 1y, then the first number is minus 4, the second one is minus 16. Are you getting it? Meaning if you multiply minus 4 times minus 16, it will give you 64. Press the calculator. Are you getting it? Because minus times minus is what? Is plus. So 4 times 16, it will give you 64. And at the same time, if you add these two numbers, minus 4 minus 16, meaning we should add, right? We should add. So minus 4 plus minus 16. This is how to do it. I get it. If you open this bracket, minus 3 multiply plus. So it will change to what? Minus 4 minus 16. Minus 4 minus 16 will give us minus what? 20. Are you getting it? I know quadratic equations always what have two answers. So meaning minus 4 equal to 0 or minus 16 equal to 0, right? So if you bring this one here, it will change towards y equal to 4 and here y equal to 16. And these are not the answers. I get it, because we use this, we are asked to find the value of x, not y. Here we use this y to represent 4 raised to power x, right? 4 raised to power x. So for us to find the two values of x, what we need to do is to what? Substitute back to this given equation. Are you getting it? Here we have y equal to 4 raised to power x, right? And we what? Solve for the values of y, which is the first one is 4 and the second one is 16. Are you getting it? So this is the equation, right? Y equal to 4 raised to power x. So from the first value of y, we have what? So here we have 4 equal to 4 raised to power x. Are you getting it? Y. So meaning that anywhere you see y in this equation, you put 4 from the first answer. Are you getting it? So yeah. So we'll have 4 raised to power 1 equal to 4 raised to power x. Don't be confused. Any number raised to power 1 is still that particular number. It's still that the same number. I getting it. The reason why I put raised to power 1 is because the main aim is to have two the same base numbers. I getting it. Is to have two the same base numbers so we can easily equate the powers. Are you getting it? So 4 raised to power 1 is still the same thing as what? 4. So here we have, since the two base numbers are the same and the middle is equal sign, meaning this 4 is equal to this one. So meaning that the value of x equal to 1. This is the first answer. From the second one, we have y equal to 4 raised to power x, right? This is the second answer. So 16 equal to 4 raised to power x. So we can change 16 to what? Index form, which is what? 4 square equal to 4 raised to power x. Are you getting it? So we can cancel. This is equal to this. So the second answer is what? X equal to 2. So the two answers, that is x1 and x2, are you getting it? Are what? The first one is 1, while the second answer is what? Is 2. So these are the two answers to this given exponential